Hello friends. Hello friends. Just waiting for few more people to join in. So you all are here. Just ping me a hi so that I can know that who all are here. We'll begin in another 1 minute. Won't waste much of time in waiting. People can join in as per their wish. Just ping me a hi. Hello friends. So let me introduce myself. Let's begin. I am Anita Gupta from Artistic Therapy Zone. Previously, it was known as Creative Canvas, but I have switched it to a new name. And now I have launched my YouTube channel also with the same name. So you can find all the upcoming videos on Artistic Therapy Zone. Even this live will be posted in case you miss it, and in case you want to rewatch it, you can check it on my YouTube channel. So today we are here to celebrate tricolor as our Republic Day is coming soon. So we want to create something artistic with our tricolor theme. So these are the flowers that we will be using. I'll be teaching you how to make this. Okay, and we will be creating our wall decor. So you guys are ready with your materials? I have posted the material list if you would have checked it. Guys, please comment below so that I can know you are here. And if you have any query, you can comment down in the comment box and I'll reply that. Okay, so let's start. I will mount it on top view. Till that time, just get your materials and we'll start. Okay, just a second, let me mount it. Okay, hope you guys can see clearly. Okay, so let's start. First, what all things we will need, I'm telling you. This is a I'm going to use this cake uh, packing paper, or you can use any of such paper which has such thickness for cutting over this circles. Okay, so this will be our base for our wall piece which we will be using, and then we will need our simple craft papers of tricolor, red, green and white. Okay, and our basic supplies like glue, scissor, scale. Okay, so let's begin. You can ask me any query, I'll be checking it. Just a second, let me do the setting so that I can view your comments. Okay, so first we will make circle, our base. This I have already cut and one I have already prepared, but I'll show you how to make it. So what we have to do is, if you have that rounder, Then it has a diameter of this inner circle has diameter of 8, means it will have the radius of 4. So you can mark 4 in the center and like this make a circle, and then the outside one has a diameter of 12 centimeter. Okay, so I have taken inside 4 and outside 6 radius. Or if you don't have that rounder, what I'll advise you, if you just go in your kitchen and find something like cap or some bowl, something like that, two shapes you find. It's not necessary that you go with this same measurement. You can take as per your convenience. Okay, so let's first cut this. You just mark it with your whatever things available with you. I'm just giving you a rough idea how you can do. You can do it as per your convenience. सर्कल बनाना तो हमने बचपन से सीखा है, so that is not a big thing. Just we need to make 2 circles. Okay, then let's cut it. If kids are doing, please take help of your parents so that you do not injure yourself. We have to keep rotating our paper to cut it properly. So like this. Cutting of outside circle is quite easy. The challenge is cutting the inside circle. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so how to do this one now? I'll give you one tape. Just fold it a little, okay, and make a cut. Now my scissor can go inside this, and from here I'll go to the circumference of the inside circle and cut. So this is little tricky part, or you can use like this cutter is there. Okay, this you can use and cut it with the help of this. But I find myself more comfortable with scissors, so I use this method. As per your convenience, you can use either of them, it's your choice. Basically scissor is available with everyone. Cutter किसी के पास होगा, किसी के पास नहीं होगा, so I am giving you the option. After a long time, I am back with my lives, but it's okay. Sometimes we need a break. I was also on break. Okay, so our circle is ready. Okay, now what we will do is cover it up. So I have covered one circle with this orange color strips, but I found that covering this did not give me nice finishing, so I have one more idea. What we can do is just cut circle of these, okay, and we will place accordingly. So how we have to do, don't take it एकदम proper, huh? Just take little bit extra and make a circle. So like this, from inside also little bit extra. Now we will need like this, two parts, one for the front side and one for the back side. So I can do that just by folding it from middle. Okay, and I can cut both of them in one go. This is a trick. You can follow this so that we don't have to do double work. This is a simple technique compared to that, and that was little bit time consuming also, plus it did not came out neat. So that's why I am going with this technique. It will give our article a better finishing, and it is easy plus less time consuming. So we should always try to reduce our time in making things, and also so keep in mind that they have finishing touches, not like just बनाने के लिए बना लिया. Okay, so same way the trick that I showed you for cutting the inner circle, I am using the same technique. I hope it is visible. If I go out of Auntie, I joined now. Can you please tell me what to do? Okay, I'll tell you once more what you have to do. See, what you have to do is take like this any paper. Okay, like this you take any paper. This one I am using a cake pastry और केक के साथ जो आता है, and then you take measurement on your scale. अगर आपके पास राउंडर है तो use the rounder, and with that you take a radius of 4 and 6. So this inside one is having 4 radius and the outside circle is having 6 radius, and that way I have cut it. Or you can, if you don't have rounder, you can use some bowl or caps, whatever is available, and cut like this 2 circles. Not 2 circles, means like this circular shape. Okay, and after cutting this, I have shown cutting of this paper, where I have kept it like this and taken little bit extra, like half inch extra from both the sides. Okay, now what you have to do is stick it. So I'll apply glue and stick it. This measurement is not compulsory. You can take as per your convenience, but this is what I have taken. So I'm just explaining कि मैंने क्या measurement लिया है. Okay, now this one is done. What you have to do is take your scissor and just give slits in between. Why we give the slits? क्योंकि ये circular shape है ना, तो it won't give proper finishing if we don't give the slits. Okay, so like this, inside and outside, both the places we have to give slits and then stick it. That will make our job easier and our finishing will be proper. Now just apply glue. Outside and inside, and start covering this. See, now it is easy. If we would have not given the slits, it would be difficult. So giving the slits is a trick for this circular shape. Okay, once this is done, take the inside side also and fold it in. If you don't understand anything, just comment below and I will clarify. Okay, so this is done. After this, I'll place this. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay, I think here we don't need like this. ये वाला फिनिशिंग फिर इस तरफ अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So what we will do, जो हमारा पहले का था, again we will place and we will take now this time exact only. जितना था ना पहले उतना ही. Why we are doing this? क्योंकि अब हमें फोल्ड नहीं करना है, हमको सीधे स्टिक कर देना है. So this one जो पहले मैंने बताया था that was little bit, मतलब मुझे लगा कि अभी कि that is the wrong technique. So better we go with this one. See, we should always not stick to any one proper method. हमको ना ट्रायल एंड एरर करते रहना चाहिए, तो हमें आइडियाज़ आते रहेंगे कि हमें क्या अप्लाई करना है. अभी मुझे लगा कि वो वाला टेक्निक सिर्फ वन साइड के लिए ठीक है. अदर साइड में अगर फिनिशिंग लाना है तो आई नीड द एग्जैक्ट साइज, देन आई चेंज इट. तो हमें फ्लेक्सिबल भी रहना चाहिए विद आवर टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स. Okay, so we are done. Now we will stick it. I'll just remove this extra things from here. And apply glue. Just apply a little glue. Don't apply too much glue. I have seen like people applying so much glue ना कि वो फिर finishing ही नहीं आता है. We don't need too much glue. Only little bit on both the edges. And now just place it. So this will give it a green color from both the sides. And check the finishing now. See, it's way better than this one. इसमें यहाँ पे जगह जगह पे we will see कि ये ऐसे fold दिख रहे हैं, and this one is very plain. Okay, so like this we have got one circle. ऐसे हमें तीनों कलर के सर्कल बनाने हैं, green, orange and white. Okay, so you can make like that. I'll teach you one color and rest you can make it. So right now I am teaching you green, and now let's make flowers of white color. I am making flowers. I'll show you कि कैसे कट करना है, then I'll make of green color. क्योंकि मेरे पास कट किए हुए रखे हैं, so I'll do that. Now how much measurement you have to take here is 5 centimeter. Your one square will be 5 centimeter. Okay. So I am just cutting 4. I'll be using 4 in 1 flower. 3 layers in 1 flower. So I'll cut 3. Okay. So like this, 5 we have to do. Okay, and whenever you cut, you see to it कि आपका टेढ़ा ना हो. So just mark it at top also and at bottom also. That will help you to get accuracy. See, इसके नीचे ये, इसके नीचे ये, इसके नीचे ये. So it will not become slanted and it will give us accurate. That's why we should always make 2 lines, top and bottom. Okay, now I have got this 3 and 3 squares. How much it is? It is 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. Okay. So you can see. Now let's cut it. I think that will not be captured in my camera as this paper is big. I'll show you once it becomes small. So like this I've cut it. And now here slit from middle and see to it कि आपकी सीजर एकदम प्रॉपर लाइन के ऊपर जाए. ओके, दैट विल गिव यू प्रॉपर स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जब ये सब अपने कट गए हैं उसके बाद यू हैव टू मेक फ्लावर. तो यू फोल्ड इट लाइक दिस once from the middle, then one more time. Okay, ये 2 fold तो easy है. Now what you have to do is take this side and ये एकदम clearly देखना. Okay, this is important. What you have to do, पहले हमने 1 fold किया middle से, फिर another fold किया middle से. Now you have to take and fold it outside. बाहर की तरफ आपको उसको fold करना है. Same way this side also we have to fold it outside. Okay. So like this we have to fold. तो you can see ऐसे दिखेगा आपको something like this. When you open it you can see कि यहाँ पे ऐसे आपको V जैसा दिखेगा. Okay. So like this you have to fold all your papers. एंड सी टू इट कि जब आप फोल्ड कर रहे हैं ना, कीप इट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द अदर, तो ना वो टेढ़ा नहीं होगा. ओके, दिस एजेस वी शुड मैच, एक दूसरे के साथ प्रॉपरली हमें मैच करनी है. ओके, एंड नाउ See, so like this we have made this base of our petal. How you have to cut now, I'll zoom it and show you because आपको शायद दिखेगा नहीं. So I'll just zoom it a little bit. Okay, now you can see. So you have to give it a curve shape. ऐसे करके आपको curve shape देना है, थोड़ा सा C जैसा देना है, not exactly C तो पर curve. Can you see how it is? I hope the camera can capture its design properly. Hi Bhavna. Okay, now we have to cut it. Okay, so when you will open it, you can see the shape of a flower. So like this you have to make on each and every petal. So this is easy, right? This much you understood. And last one more I'll show. So like this you have to cut all the petals of white, green and orange color. Okay. Now I will show you with orange color, क्योंकि मे बी शायद ये वाइट बेस पे आपको दिख नहीं रहा हो. So I have already made a few. I'll show you what next we have to do. Now you have to take the middle of this leaf. Okay, ऐसे middle part लेना है and then just give it a fold. Okay, like this you have to give fold to each and every petal. This will make it look more beautiful. You can use like this also, ऐसे भी आप use कर सकते हो, but if you give a fold from middle it will look more beautiful. That's why we are folding it from the middle. Okay, so like this you have to fold all your petals. Once this folding is done, then I'll show you how to do the flower. We will be making flower. how many, at least 3 I need right now, so I'll fold 3. One flower will have 3 layers. So all the 3 layers are ready. Now just we need to apply glue at the center and you have to place it. How you will place? ये दोनों पेटल के बीच में हमारे दूसरे फ्लावर का पेटल होना चाहिए. See, like this. So it will be in middle, not overlapping. एक दूसरे के ऊपर overlap नहीं होगा, पर middle में आएगा. So it will give a depth to our flower. Okay, it's glue, so it needs to dry a little bit to stick. Just hold it like this and press. Then apply again glue and take the top part. यहाँ भी same चीज़ याद ध्यान रखनी है, that it comes in the middle of these 2 petals. Second layer के दोनों petal के बीच में third layer के petal आना चाहिए. Okay. So now this is done. What you have to do, इसमें middle में आपको थोड़ा सा press करना है. Why we want to press it? इसको हाथ में ऐसे लो and then take your pencil or pen and then just press it from middle. When we press it from middle, तो उसको एकदम blooming वाला shape आएगा. Okay? See, ये देखो एकदम से ऐसे flat नहीं लगेगा. Compare this flower and this flower. ये एकदम flat लग रहा है ना? So this doesn't look nice. This will give it little bit natural look. So like this, when you press it, all the petals come up. और उसको आप उसके बाद थोड़ा सा अपने हाथों से भी ऐसे कर सकते हो. Okay. So this way your flower is ready. Now I have this half pearl, so I'll take one and stick it in the middle. Okay, so like this our flower is ready. Now we have to stick it on our circles. I already have kept a few flowers ready of green color, so I'll show you with them. See, some have lost the depth, so I'll just give them a depth before sticking. Is it clear how we have to make this flower, or should I show you one more? Okay, I'll show you one more. First take one base, on top of it apply another layer. See to it that it is between the 2 petals. Then again apply glue and again see to it that this one is also between the below 2 petals, second layer के 2 petals के बीच में. Okay, see this one has twisted, so again I will twist it like this. And now we have to take our pencil or pen and just press it inside to give it depth. Okay, So like this our flower is ready. ये थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा हो रहा है, I'm just trying to. इसमें we will apply that pearl also. Where did it go? I don't know where did it go. Okay, got it. See, this glue will dry, तो वो दिखेगा नहीं फिर. But apply very tiny. मेरा थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया है. Apply very tiny amount of glue because this is a small pearl. ज़्यादा अप्लाई करते तो फिर वो दिखता है. But once it dries तभी नहीं दिखेगा. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर कि कैसे बनाना है ये. एनी डाउट? द्विजा, भावना? Okay, so these are ready. Now we will stick it on our circle which we made right now. So what you have to keep in mind कि अगर आप ऐसे here one middle और white will come, तो अगर आप यहाँ पे ऑरेंज के लगाते हो ना फ्लावर्स, तो वाइट में इस तरफ लगाना एंड ग्रीन में इस तरफ लगाना. सो मेक इट दैट इट इज इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो राइट नाउ वी आर टेकिंग द फर्स्ट वन, तो हम कहीं भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड अकॉर्डिंगली बाकी के अप्लाई करने हैं. सो जस्ट अप्लाई ग्लू एंड स्टिक इट. राइट नाउ आई एम कवरिंग दिस राइट साइड, तो वाइट में मैं लेफ्ट साइड कवर करूंगी. Let them dry. Okay, once they dry they will be stuck. It has covered my half portion, so I will not apply more. आपका भी जितना बड़ा सर्कल हो उसके हिसाब से देखना कि हाफ पोर्शन कवर करे वो. Okay, so we are done with this and like this you have to make of orange. I have only one flower ready of orange and one more, so let's stick two only. It's okay. I'll complete it and post the full picture, but right now जितना है उतना मैं बता देती हूँ. But you understood these flowers are the main in this, कि ये flowers कैसे बनाने हैं ना, that is the main technique in this. Once you learn this flower, then you can use these flowers in any of the arrangement. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ट्राई कलर में, you can use it in your projects, school projects, whatever. Even on bottle decoration, जहाँ भी the ideas are endless. So you just have, if you learn something, it's not कि वो उसी जगह पे अप्लाई करो आप उसको जहाँ भी पॉसिबल है वहाँ अप्लाई कर सकते हो. ओनली थिंग इज यू हैव टू कीप योर माइंड ओपन कि हम कहाँ कहाँ उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एक चीज़ जो हमने कहीं सीखी है तो वो नेक्स्ट कहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, वेट. हाँ, अभी राइट नाउ आई एम प्लेसिंग ना, तो अभी इट विल नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस कि मैं इसको ऐसे लगाऊं या ऐसे लगाऊं, इसलिए जब हम उसको रिबन पे स्टिक करेंगे ना, दैट टाइम इट इज नेसेसरी कि कैसे अप्लाई करना है। ओके, सो अभी मेरा वाइट सर्कल रेडी नहीं है। हाउ मच टाइम वी हैव? लेट्स मेक वाइट ऑल्सो, हमारे पास टाइम है। So we'll stick white also. Vijay, you missed that part na, again I am showing so you can see कि कैसे करा था। Okay, so like this outside is 6 centimeter radius and this one is 4 centimeter radius. फर्स्ट लेयर जो हमें नीचे चिपकाना है वो थोड़ा सा हम एक्स्ट्रा लेंगे, ओके, ताकि हम उसे अच्छे से फिनिशिंग दे सके, अंदर टक कर सके। एंड देन वन मोर सर्कल जो एकदम एग्जैक्ट साइज का होगा, which we will be sticking on the other side. So like this you also make 2 circles. और एक बार आपका एक सर्कल कट गया ना, यू कैन यूज इट, मतलब एकदम फास्ट यूज हो जाएगा ये, टू मेक द अदर 2 सर्कल्स। पहले वाले में आपको थोड़ा सा बाउल या तो फिर राउंडर यूज करना होगा, later तो it will be easy to make the other ones. And then this is the technique कि you just poke it inside and then cut it. बस अपना सीजर अंदर जाना चाहिए, then we can cut as usual. And the other thing is I showed using cutter, जिससे जैसे आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे. आई फाइंड माई सेल्फ कंफर्टेबल मोर विथ सीजर्स, सो आई एम डूइंग विथ सीजर. So this one is ready. Now the other one. शायद आउट ऑफ फोकस जा रहा होगा, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स जस्ट कटिंग दैट यू कैन नो. Making with me. Okay, now let's paste it. And we need to give that slits also. Now give slits. And now apply glue on the edges. And fold them inside. And the outside one. Hope it is clear, Dvija, कैसे करना है. Just comment if you have understood. You are making with me, क्या? Okay, so now everything is, we have stuck everything. उसको थोड़ा सा प्रेस कर दो, because this is, जब तक ये glue dry नहीं होता तब तक वो अच्छे से stick नहीं होता. So we need to press it nicely. And now apply glue for the top layer. So we are done. Okay, this way we have to make our circle. This inside thing is visible. I'm just trying to get it in. कुछ भी बाहर नहीं दिखना चाहिए. That's why we have to be careful. Okay, so this circle is also ready. Our other two circles are also ready. Now what you have to do is take a ribbon. Okay, where is my ribbon? Okay, I have it here. So I am taking this ribbon और इसके ऊपर हमें सारे place करने हैं. Okay, which is on the top? Orange. So let's place orange here. I think हमको सिर्फ middle में stick करने होंगे. Okay. So what you have to do? Cut the ribbon. सिर्फ हमको middle part stick करना होगा. Otherwise that line will be visible. So just cut like this 2 pieces. Okay, and apply glue. we want to stick this with white. So apply glue. White में you see कि आपका proper वाला कौन सा है, वो जो हमने अंदर फोल्ड किया ना वो पीछे रखने का, और जो एकदम प्रॉपर लगाया था ना वो आगे रखने का. सो प्रॉपर वाला मेरा आगे है एंड जो अंदर फोल्ड किया है वो पीछे है. नाउ अप्लाई ग्लू ऑन दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड सेंटर में. ओके, एंड जस्ट स्टिक दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ अवर रिबन. इसको थोड़ा सा ड्राई होने का टाइम देना पड़ेगा हमें, ऐसे एकदम से नहीं उठा सकते. टिल द ड्राई, तब तक हमें नहीं उठाना है. एंड देन देखो अभी मेरा ऑरेंज का, सी ऑरेंज के मेरे फ्लावर्स इस तरफ है, वाइट के मेरे इस तरफ आएंगे. सो ग्रीन के मेरे दिस साइड, जिस तरफ ऑरेंज के उसी तरफ रखने हैं. सो दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वेरी नाइसली कि किधर आपके फ्लावर्स प्लेस हो रहे हैं, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू स्टिक इट. नाउ हियर ऑल्सो okay. And let them dry. थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो जाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट we can move it. So it will take little time to dry. I'm just turning it this side. One second, I'll show you what you have to do on top also. यहाँ top में let me pull it this side so that you can see. Take this ribbon, okay, and then just fold it. और इसको भी हमें stick करना होगा like a U shape, so that we can hang it on our nail. और मेरा रिबन बड़ा है, so I am folding it. So like this you have to stick. And to make it more stronger, what we can do, एक और ऑरेंज पेपर कट करके इसके ऊपर स्टिक कर दो. So I will cut one orange paper. And stick on top of it. Okay, so we are like done. I'm just turning it, flipping it, and I'll let it dry. I'll just flip the camera on myself. First I'll show you कि अभी तक हमने कितना काम किया है. I'll finish it and post the full picture. Okay, so like this you can see our tricolor wall decor is ready. Hope everything is clear. And यहाँ से we can hang it. Once it dries, it will look nice. और हाँ, यहाँ नीचे भी you can stick ribbon के ऊपर, take 3 ribbons and put one red, one orange, white and saffron color flower hanging. तो वो और भी अच्छा लुक देगा. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just flipping the camera again on myself. So this way we have made our wall decor, tricolor wall decor, and I'll be coming up with more of such items in future too. Do like and hit the bell notification on my page so that you get all the notifications of whatever things that are coming up. Right now I have launched my YouTube channel also, so it has all these paintings. This one is a Polaroid painting, and this is done using soft pastels. So you can find the video or the full tutorial of this. Then you can find full tutorial of this. This is me, my daughter and my husband. ये इसका भी tutorial है. This is palette knife painting. Can you see? These are the textures that are given with palette knife. Okay, and this one is image transfer. Simple. It is a simple laser printout which I have transferred on the canvas. So this full technique is taught in my YouTube tutorial. I'll post the link of my YouTube channel also, so you can go and check the full tutorial there. And this is a coffee painting of, can you guess who? Yeah, she is Cleopatra. She is a famous Egyptian queen. And what twist I have given here is, along with coffee I have used here copper, metallic copper color. Can you see that ornaments, how they are shining? So that is metallic copper. So this also you can find, if you want to learn this, you can find it on my channel. And there is one more dot art mandala coaster, which I forgot to take it right now, but you can go ahead and check on my channel. And do like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification, because वहाँ पे ऐसे बहुत सारी exciting चीज़ें आएगी. So if you want to learn all those things, आप मिस कर जाओगे अगर आपने notification bell नहीं दबाया. So just do that and enjoy all the creativity with Artistic Therapy Zone. Hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. And I'm planning few more tricolor theme videos. तो आप अगर notification bell on रखोगे तो आपको मिल जाएंगे. I am trying my best to post it before 26 so that you can enjoy them. जैसे मैं ये तो wall decor हो गया. I am planning for accessories also, like earring or bangles. How we can make bangles of tricolor, how we can make earrings of tricolor. So I'll be posting those tutorials. Let's see how much I can make till 26, because सिर्फ shoot नहीं करना होता है, I have to edit also and upload also. So that all requires a lot of time. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any query, drop in my message box. I'll be happy to answer. So let's enjoy our Republic Day with this tricolor decor. सूखा है, it's still wet, so I cannot pick up. I'll just show. So with this, you can put it in your, if you are studying and something online thing is going, you can just put it on your wall in the background. So it will give a touch of Republic Day. Okay, and उससे feel आएगा, like patriotic feel आएगा कि yeah, we are Indians and क्या बोलते हैं, today we are celebrating Republic Day, and people will be like happy to see that. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. I'll take your leave. Bye bye. At you all. Thank you for joining in.